Hello, welcome back to Photonic Luminescence, and in this video I'm going to show you something really cool. I'm going to show how you can turn an old sand to make it extremely shiny. It's really cool, but before we're going to begin with this experiment, note that I'm going to use acids, so you better wear gloves if you're trying, and just don't. So let's get started. So for the first step, I'm going to take this beaker and pour in some salt. This is all of my salt, but it is already enough. I'm now going to take some vinegar and pour it in. This is enough. Now I'm going to begin stirring the mixture with a pipette, but I recommend you to use a stirring rod. So I'm going to come back when I stir it. Okay, so now I am completely done stirring, and I'm going to put this aside and take another one. Now this is a separate container. It has some more, and I'm going to take some baking soda. I'm using this, and going to now I'm going to stir. Oh, there was a bit left, and again stir as we done with the first solution. Okay, I am now done, and I'm going to take this solution and maybe take out the pipette. I don't really need it for now. And I'm going to take the second solution, and I'm going to drop some drops. Now there will be a chemical reaction between the vinegar and the still left. Ooh. So yes, you need to be careful and pour in careful. The baking soda and vinegar are still reacting, so I'm going to do this so I don't flood my desk with this chemical reaction. And now I'm going to drop in the last drops. Okay, there we go. I should be done right now with the mixing, but before finalizing this chemical reaction, I'm going to add some soap for the hands, and this will add sort of like a bit for running, for cleaning. I'm going to just mix. The foam is a little bit annoying right now, but anyway, yeah, maybe you should do it slower. Okay, now I'm going to take some pennies that don't look that good. I'm going to drop them in the solution. I'm going to pop these balloons, and the foam won't be anywhere to see. All I just need is to wait. We're going to come after a few minutes, and this is it. Now here I have some iron, or at least some rusty nails, which I wanted to also clean using the same method, and I need to say that it didn't do that bad. Now, by the way, do not touch these with proper protection, but I'm going to do it anyway. Here we have the rusty nail. The head wasn't really covered, so it's not that bad. It's hard to show you, but it has removed. I know it's not really shiny, which is the real problem here. Can't really see that it did, but no worries. It also works with iron, just needs longer. I'm going to take a look at this. Oh, it's bubbling quite a lot actually, and this means it's good. It's a little bit shooting over, but other than that, it's okay. There we go. We are almost. I have actually waited quite a bit, and I think almost 10 minutes have now passed. Also, the bubbling isn't that much, but I would highly recommend you to leave it for 30 minutes for very good cleaning. But I'm going to still take a look at anyway. I'm going to take a magnet And let's see how well it did clean. Oh, it actually did quite a lot for only this few of time. You need to clean it because it is pretty acidic. Don't take it with your bare hands. And here we have it. Here we have the coin after it has been sitting in the solution of the rust remover we just made, and it looks really well. I know that because of the glare of the sun on the coins, it's really hard to tell that it has cleaned very well. So yes, I would say it's a success, and I highly recommend maybe only caring first about one coin if you're really going to turn such coins into that. And it really works. This is actually a really good comparison over here, and I think it shows what it does. So this was it. I really say that leave it 30 minutes and it will really do a great job. This was it from my side. So yeah, subscribe to my channel if you thought that this was an interesting experiment, or a useful one actually, and leave a comment what do you think about it. Also, like this video if you thought this was interesting, and if you have any questions, leave a comment. Also, thanks for watching. I'm happy this works really well. So, goodbye and see you next video.